Hello, my name is Sylwia Skrzyniarz. I am from Poland. I came here, India, to New Delhi to visit my family, my husband. Unfortunately, I get some accident. I just sleep in the bathroom. I injure my leg very badly. We contact with the hospital. My husband here arranged visit with Mr. Kunal in Max Healthy.
We got an MRI done. MRI revealed there was a meniscus tear, which is a cushion between the thigh and the leg bone, and that helps us in giving cushioning effect and protecting the joint. Due to the tear, she was unable to walk.
After the test, the hospital was ready to make the operation, which was very needed.
She would need a minor procedure, which is arthroscopy. It's a keyhole procedure to repair the meniscus, and she was admitted for the same. Next morning, we were able to repair the meniscus completely using minimally invasive methods.
Right now, about how I feel after operation, the pain, let's say, if we count it in the points, then up to 10, it's just 1, maybe 2 points.
She's doing very well today. She's walking independently and she's confident to return back to her sports and activities back in Poland.
Honestly, even in my country, I don't have this much care, just like here in this hospital. I want to, on the end, to thank you for all the team, for the doctors, for all staff and nurses which was taking care of me all the time which I was here.